Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy Shiba Inu coin on MetaMask. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is open your browser, then open your MetaMask right over here. After that, click on the buy section right over here. Then just simply connect your wallet right over here. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. Now, in order to buy Shiba Inu, all you have to do is simply click on this option right over here and simply search for Shiba Inu. As you can see, this is the Shiba Inu right over here. Now, just simply click on it. Now, just simply wait for a few seconds, and then after that, just simply complete the payment process using any one of these methods right over here. So, let's say for example, you want to use PayPal, choose PayPal, click on continue after that. Then just simply choose any one of the payment options right over here. So I'm going to go with debit card and credit card. So just simply choose any one of the other one if you want to. It's totally up to you. Then after that, simply choose any one of the payment method. You can see how much you have to pay and how much you will be getting. So as you can see, this is the best one. So just simply click on continue with Robinhood Connect. Just simply choose this option. Now right over here, all you have to do is just simply complete a sign up process. Then just simply add your address and your bank details. And then just simply complete the payment method on this particular website. And once you have done that, within few minutes, you should receive your Shiba Inu on your MetaMask. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.